Alright, so we're going to be doing some market recap, see what the week had in store for us when in regards to trading. We have a few opportunities. I think we got about 5 or 6 opportunities that's lined up for this week. So let's have a look and see what's going on. So far, it's been very good, especially on crypto. We're going to be focusing predominantly on crypto. That's why we're going to be milking and making a significant amount of money. Yeah, so far we have a wonderful opportunity on Bitcoin right here. So I put in my group early in the morning. I put a buy for Bitcoin. So we're gonna buy Bitcoin, and let's say our stop loss should be around 39968. So in my group, we've been in Bitcoin for some time now. We got into Bitcoin, as you can see. We had the arrows as illustrated. Initially, we anticipated Bitcoin could either go down to this zone and then continue back up, or it could go down here and then continue back up. But it managed to reverse from this point and with a nice little green box right here. So as we can see, so far so good on Bitcoin. Wonderful buy opportunity there. Now, where are we going on Bitcoin? Our major resistance level on Bitcoin is going to be around 83,000 if I remember correctly. So yeah, as you can see, that's our major resistance point on Bitcoin. It's crazy to see how far it's come. You can see that the cryptocurrencies aren't playing any games. And obviously, I need to get more involved in the fundamentals, see what's happening with the wars, see what's happening with the news. That's the one thing I haven't been doing. So yeah, Bitcoin, as you can see, it's not playing any games whatsoever. So that's a wonderful buy opportunity on Bitcoin. All right, let's move on. Let's see what else we have here. If I remember correctly, we have Coinbase here. I don't really trade stocks. Coinbase, yeah, we can see there's nothing really going on Coinbase at the moment. So let's keep it moving. Copper, for those of you who want to buy copper, we do have a decent buy opportunity on copper at the moment. Let's go into the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on. So yeah, if you want to buy copper, it's not a bad buy opportunity. Copper's been playing around. It made us a lot of money in the group. It has been acting up. So you could buy copper. I would say, then again, you never know. It might give you a double bottom. So this one might come down and hit this point right here. So it's safe. Remember, copper is very lucrative. So if you are going to purchase a buy in copper, depending on the size of your account, I think the minimum you can enter, depending on what platform you're using, the minimum you can enter is about 0.1, which is basically, how much is 0.1 again? 0.1 is going to be £100. Yeah, that's the minimum you can buy on copper, depending on what platform you're using. So yeah, you could buy copper and put your stop loss, I would say around here, 3.7264. Yeah, so that's a buy on copper. Where are we going on copper? I think we're going around 6.4 on copper. We have a long way to go. So far, as you can see, in the group, we bought copper all the way down here. So you can see it's adhered to our technical analysis, to our forecast perfectly. We was around this zone. Some people in the group made around £200. Some guys made 150, and you can see with a nice little uptrend going up. Then we have a nice, big, fat, deep pullback. Where are we going with copper? Let's have a look. Let's zoom out. Wow. As you can see, we're going high. We have to go into the 1 month time frame to see. So our major resistance on copper is going to be up here, way up here. 6.9. Yeah? So we have a long way to go on copper. And I do anticipate it being like a tremendous move. That's going to fly up. So we're going to 6.9 on copper, and we are currently at 3.7. Yeah? So let's go down some more. Let's speak about DigiBuy. For those of you who might be just investors, and we're in 2024 right now, you might be looking for this money-making opportunity that's going to 10x or 15x or 20x your money, crypto is where it's going to be. Digibyte is one of the biggest sleepers out there that many people don't know about. Digibyte is ridiculous. Digibyte should be a coin in which you spread the word to everybody. Anybody who's got a little bit of bob there, let's say you got £300 or $300 or €300 there that you can use to invest. Look, as you can see, let's have a look in the higher time frame on Digibyte. Look where we are on Digibyte. Look where we are. In the highest time frame, in the 3-month time frame, you can see we are at the very bottom. You can see my technical analysis on Digibyte is basic because there's no need for any extravagant technical analysis on this one. It's basis. It's basic. You understand the ideology of buying low and selling high. This is beautiful. This is the lowest you're gonna get Digibyte. This is a sleeper. This is one of the best coins. So let's have a look and see what you'll be looking at in regards to return on investments. Let's get out the measuring tool. So from here, okay, let's do it from current price. From current price to the highest, you see what I'm saying? Absolutely disgusting on Digibyte. So from the lowest price to the highest point, we're looking at over 2,000% return on investment. That is absolutely disgusting. You cannot afford to miss this opportunity. For those of you out there who know people who want to invest and make some money this year is a year where you cannot be playing around. It's time for you to kind of break away from 9 to 5. Nobody knows what's going to be in store. We saw what happened in Miami. Is it real? We don't know. It's beside the point. What we do know is that the world is changing. And if anybody's perspicacious now to see what's happening in the world, you can see that you can no longer rely on a 9 to 5. Especially if your 9 to 5 job can be taken over by AI. You can't blame the people who run a certain company, because if they do employ AI, they're going to be saving a fortune. Plus, they won't be dealing with no sick individuals, won't be dealing with no pregnancies, won't be dealing with you having family issues or where you have emergencies and whatnot. That would all get eradicated. So if you put yourself in their shoes and think about it, you have a multi-million-dollar company or multi-million-pound company or whatnot. Of course, at the end of the year, you want to be saving money. How do you save money? What's the quickest way to save money? By eradicating Homo sapiens and replacing them with AI. So you got to be privy enough to this information to understand. You need to open your eyes and see what's going on and try and find alternative ways to make money. So yeah, Digibyte, as you can see right there, that is a disgusting sleeper. We're looking at over 2,000% return on investment. We have Dogecoin as well. Look at that. Similar thing on Dogecoin. Before we even go into the lower time frame to identify actual buy, I'll put a buy in my group earlier on today in the morning as well. From the current price to the end of our red box, we're looking at 800%, nearly 900% return on investment. Now look, remember, if you have a look at my old videos that's on this YouTube channel, you will see that we got into Bitcoin, we got into Ethereum very early. And it's even strange to see how far they've come. I remember when we was at the lowest point, we was at the very beginning. Now look at them. When we got into Bitcoin, Bitcoin was at like, I think 23,000 or something like that. Now it's at 47,000, 44,000, around that region. Absolutely disgusting. So you can see that's another opportunity right there. Dogecoin. Now let's go into a lower time frame so we can identify an actual buy. Look at this. Look how low we are on Doge. Look how low we are. So as you can see, we entered in a group around here. We entered around here in the group. Then we have a nice little catapult to the upside. Then we had a wonderful pullback. This is going to be your last pullback. This is really, it's now. Now's the time for you to enter. There's no more time to be waiting, trying to identify the best, the cheapest point for you to get in for a buy. Now is the time to get into a buy. For Dogecoin, I would buy Dogecoin. I would put my stop loss around 0.0708. 0.86. Yeah, so that's Dogecoin. That's a very good one there. Ethereum, I don't think there's a buy opportunity on Ethereum as of right now, but Ethereum made us a lot of money in the group. We milked Ethereum, milked it. We managed to get into Ethereum right here. There are people in the group, as myself, who still hold positions in Ethereum down here, down at 1,500. It went up. It gave us a cool little pullback. We bought again here. As you can see, we bought additional positions here. It went up again, came down, and we bought again here. It went up, and when it hit this zone, as you can see illustrated by this actual box, this is where we took some profit. Yeah, so guys in the group, some guy made 1,300, another guy made 800. Yeah, a lot of people made money in the group on this one. These are on small accounts. These people started with 150 in the group, £150. Now they're at 800, 900, 1,500. Yeah. So as you can see, Ethereum has always been the crypto that's leading the pack. So it's very high right now. We're just gonna leave it. We still have positions in Ethereum. I will update you guys on any more opportunities when they arise. What else do we have here? Let's see if we have a sell opportunity on EURCAD. Let's see if we have a sell opportunity. So yeah, we do have a sell opportunity on EURCAD. I am a little bit skeptical about this pair. I'm not too sure if it's going up or if it's going down. When I had a look at the larger time frame, I think it was the 3 months time frame earlier on today, and I had a look at the historical data. So it isn't clear to me what direction EURCAD is going in. But one thing that we can say is that we have a very good risk to reward at the moment. So you could sell, we sold. You can sell EURCAD, very nice risk to reward. Look at that, it's right there at the reversal point. Selling EURCAD, and let's say your stop loss should be 1.47322. Yeah. So let's move on. We have EURGBP. EURGBP has been playing around in the group as well. We've took a few losses. But let's have a look at EURGBP because it's made us a lot of money. It's made us a lot of money. We've been trading EUR. You can see the arrow there. You can see the arrow. So we have made a lot of money off EURGBP. As you can see, yeah. We didn't. This is a very long time ago when we got into EURGBP. This is back in 2022. And obviously we made money, close our positions and whatnot. But in recent times, we did get into EURGBP for the buy around here. And then it went up. It went up, went up, went up. We took profit. It came back down. We bought again. It went up. We took some profit when we got here, right? Then we went down. We bought again. It went up. We didn't take any profit. And then look what happened. We got knocked out, knocked out, knocked out. And then we got back in around here, around this zone. Then it went up again. We took some profit and we still held some more positions. And then it went down. Obviously, some people didn't get in at the exact reversal point. Some people probably got in around here. So here we are again with EURGBP. So I would say, once again, it's not a bad risk to reward on this pair. So let's have a look. Let's get a closer look. For those of you, you can see it's kind of giving you something that resembles a double bottom. Hold on 1 second. You can see it's kind of giving us something that resembles a double bottom. The risk to reward on this pair ain't the greatest. I'm not gonna put out a signal for this one. It's a little bit. It's gone too high, really and truly. If it was around here, around this region, then yes, we would buy. Stop loss would be around here. But as you can see, it's gone a little bit too high for my liking. So you can keep an eye on it. Look for pullbacks. You see what the current price is right now. Look for pullbacks and see if you can identify a decent risk to reward on EURGBP. Alright, EURNZD. Yeah, we bought that one in the group. That one's flying. Didn't even realize how much it's flying. So as you can see with EURNZD, it's not playing any games. It's been a bit all over the place with us with this one. But we did manage to get in around here, went up, took some profit. It went down. We got in multiple times, got knocked out, but then we got in here last week. This was last week when we got in here. As you can see, January, Friday, January 12th. From then, look how far it's gone up. Yeah, so that one's a good one. And with EUR NZD, we do anticipate it going very, very high. Look, you can see by my technical analysis, we have a long way to go with this one. Yeah, so this is going to be a pair we're going to be watching very closely, and we're going to find every single pullback possible to capitalize as much as we can. Yeah, so we've got a long way to go with EUR NZD, and that's not even the highest. I'm pretty sure we're going even higher than that with EUR NZD. Yes, as you can see, look, there's a major resistance all the way out there for that pair. So EUR NZD is something we're going to be watching for the entirety of the year and try and find any buy opportunities we can on that one. Now let's move on. We have a sell opportunity on GBP CAD. Let's have a look. I put it earlier on in the group today. Let's see if anybody's got a knocked out. I did put the stop loss tight. As I did say, I was a little bit skeptical about this one. I wonder if I put the stop loss a little bit too tight, man. Trading sometimes can just be so annoying. We may have got a knocked out this one, but yeah, GBP CAD, I would sell it. I might sell it right now. I would sell it with a stop loss at 1.71247, yeah, on GBP CAD. That's not a bad opportunity right there. I'm not too sure about the overall direction on that one. It's not clear to me, but once again, we have a very good risk to reward on that one. GBP NZD, we missed the buy for that. We did miss it. We got in, our stop loss was too tight, and we got knocked out. We got in around here, right? And our stop loss is probably around here. And as you can see, it just knocked us out. So what we've been doing now is we're entering positions with a smaller lot size, so we're putting on less money, and we're making our stop loss wider because there's so many times, time and time again, in which we get knocked out and it ends up going in our direction because our stop loss is too tight. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing from now on. So we're going to watch this one closely because I think this is a phenomenal opportunity on GBP NZD. Let's have a look. We've been following this one for a while, as you can see. You got multiple buy zones from there. We've been following this one from down here. You can see it went up, a nice little pullback. Didn't go all the way down to this green box. It just kind of touched it, dipped its toe into it, and then it went up. But if we go into the larger time frame, you can see we're basically at the very bottom. Once again, you see the ideology of buying low and selling high. So we anticipate GBP NZD going all the way up there. That's why I was a little bit annoyed, in which I expressed in the group that this is one of them opportunities that you cannot afford to miss. But we're going to be paying close attention to GBP NZD for any additional buys. Right, GBP USD has been doing okay. We don't have any buy opportunities at the moment with this one. You can see we've been trading it very, very well. We made a lot of money off GBP USD. We got in down here. It went up. At a deep low pullback, we got in here. Again, it went up. A nice little pullback, we got in here. Again, it went up. With a nice little pullback, we got in around this zone again, and it went up again, and then we tried to catch it around this green box. But as you can see, we got knocked out, right? And now it's kind of doing okay. So we'll keep an eye on GBP USD as well. Gold has been doing its own thing. There's no opportunity there. Chainlink. Let's have a look at Chainlink. Chainlink is doing well. There's no buy opportunity at the moment. You can see it's already left the station. So you can see what pairs, crypto pairs, have left the station already. And look at that. It's very surreal. If you look back at my old videos, we put a signal out to buy Chainlink when it was in this green zone. And as you can see, bang, it's already going up. That was your next recent buy opportunity right there. And it's still going up right now. So there's no buy opportunities right now. But this indicates to you that crypto has already started moving. right? So you can't afford to waste no time on crypto. All right, let's keep going. Litecoin, I don't really follow Litecoin, but look, that's not bad. That's not bad. I might need to put this one in it. It's not the best. It's not bad though. I think a few weeks ago around New Year's, crypto went crazy. So what the market tends to do, whenever it's gearing up for a big reversal, it tends to degress or it tends to fly up before it goes down. So in this case, it went down significantly and then it chose to start to fly back up. Yeah. So as you can see right now with Litecoin, for any of you guys out there, I'm going to put this signal in the group after this video. I would buy Litecoin, stop loss around 67.31 for the investors. I would invest in Litecoin, right? What else do we have? We have a buy opportunity on NZD USD as well. Ooh, wow, that fell down tremendously, boy. I think I put that one in the group as well. That one fell down tremendously, man. Crazy. I'm gonna buy it again though. 'Cause look at that, you got a nice little risk to reward. So I would buy NZD USD, stop loss, nice and tight, 0.61715. Yeah? And we have a long way to go on that one. Okay. This one right here is a sleeper. This is one that you cannot afford to miss. These opportunities don't come around very often. So we have a buy opportunity in Palladium. Look at Palladium. It's at the very bottom right now. Yeah? The very, very bottom. We entered in a group from here. From right here, we entered in a group. We made a lot of money all the way up here. We took profit. Then it went down. I think we bought again around these points and lost some money. But now it's giving you a big pullback to this zone in Palladium. So right now is a wonderful buy for Palladium. Wonderful, wonderful buy. I would buy Palladium right now. And I'll put my stop loss around 962.49. Where are we going in Palladium? Let's go into a larger time frame so we can have a look. So I can show you how high we're going. Look at that. Look at that. Disgusting. I have to go in a 1 month time frame. Look at that. That's where we're going on Palladium. That's where we're going. And for those of you who know support and resistance, as you can see, it went all the way up there. It came all the way back down and revisit this. Basically, this level right here was previously a resistance level. And it's come back down. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. You see that? It's come back down to this resistance level and used it as support. I don't trade support and resistance, but support and resistance, I can see how reliable it is. So yeah, Palladium is a sleeper, big sleeper. I'm gonna have to make like a YouTube short on Palladium and make a TikTok video on Palladium as well, just to let people know that yeah, right now is a perfect time to buy it. Nothing in silver at the moment. Silver's already up. We have a sell opportunity on USD CAD. It's already gone a bit high. I did say in the group that it could go and create a double top before dropping. So we have a sell opportunity on USD CAD. Stop loss around here, 1.34535 for USD CAD. It's a nice look of sell. And USD CAD and USD CHF is inversely correlated with gold and silver, GPUSD, EYUSD, and NZD-USD, which means when all of them pairs, when gold, silver, GPUSD, EYUSD, and NZD-USD go up, USD CAD and USD CHF goes down, right? So you're going to see a similar setup on USD CHF. Same thing, not the best risk to reward that we have on USD CAD, but you can see not bad. You can sell USD CHF. Stop loss around here. 0.85777. Yeah, the USD CHF, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I don't think we have any buy opportunities on XRP. Let's have a look. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not the greatest. So it's crazy because these coins are at the very beginning right now, which is surreal. Because you know how many times you hear about it on the internet that XRP is going crazy, Bitcoin gone crazy, Ethereum's gone crazy, and you hear about it after the fact. With these videos, we're showing you before it happens, before the masses hear about it. You want to be ahead of the curve. That might be the title of the video. You want to be ahead of the curve. You don't want to be following the sheep. You don't want to hear when things have happened. When they've happened, you want to know they're going to occur before they occur. Yeah? So, that's it on this video.